If you're trying to add your printer to your Mac, but you're not sure how to do it, don't worry. This video will guide you through step by step. In this video, I'm using AirPrint printer with an LCD panel. If you're using a different model type, you can reach our expert team using the given numbers below. Alright, let's get started and connect your device in just a few minutes. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. First, turn on your printer. Once it's on, navigate to your printer's control panel to access the main menu. Then, use the navigation buttons to scroll to the right until you find the settings option. Once you locate it, hit the OK button. Under the settings menu, locate Network Settings using the arrow button. When you find it, press OK. In the Network Settings menu, navigate to the Wi-Fi Setup option and press the OK button to open it. Next, select Wi-Fi, as it is commonly used option. Once the next screen appears, press OK to continue the setup. Next, choose Wi-Fi Setup Wizard and press OK. You'll now see a list of Wi-Fi networks. Select your Wi-Fi name and press OK. When you reach the Enter Password screen, enter your Wi-Fi password carefully and then tap OK. Your printer will now connect to Wi-Fi. Once the Wi-Fi connection is complete, add your printer to your Mac. Also, please subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this. On the Mac, open System Preferences. Click on Printers and Scanners. To add your printer, click on the plus icon. When your AirPrint printer appears on the screen, select it and add. And that's it. Your printer is now successfully added to your Mac. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.